exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Collect cool... We're all happy to see you again. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Forward leads to... Knapford Station. Knapford Station's just ahead. I love that. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads to Cannonball Curve. Next stop, Cannonball Curve. What type of wagon should we pull? That's perfect. Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Where to now? Forward, we're almost at the town square. Left leads to the haunted castle. We're almost at the town square. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of... Super! That's so cool! Thanks for helping out! Where to now? Right leads to the... Forward leads to the pig farm. Left leads... Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? That's perfect! Cool! That was amazing! That's awesome! Super! We all love your train set! I love that. Which way do you want to go? Forward leads. We're almost at the town square.